Hello guys, this is Kuya Debs again, and for today, we're going to solve problems involving quadratic equations. So expect in this series that we will solve many quadratic equations as we can. So let's go. For problem number one, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 132. Find the integers. So let us say that you have positive integers that let us say let x be the first positive integers, and the second is since it is consecutive integers is, let's say that this is x plus 1. Okay, tama po ba? So ang hinahanap dito is ang product ng dalawa. So we can say that we have x times x plus 1 is equals to 32. I mean 132, sorry. So let us distribute. We have x squared plus x. Kaya tama. Is equals to 132. And we have form a quadratic equation. X squared plus x is equals to, transpose natin ang 132. So magiging negative 132. 132 is equals to 0. And then we have to factor this quadratic equation. We have x and x. And hanap tayo ng factors ng 132. So, let us say negative 12 times 11. Tapos, pag i-add natin yung dalawa, magiging positive 1. So, positive 1 ba kung pag i-add natin? Hindi. Kasi yung answer niya negative 1. So, try natin baliktarin. We have 12 minus 11. So, that is 1. Tapos, i-multiply natin 12 times 11, 132. So, we have positive 12 and minus 11. We have two values of x. X is equals to negative 12 and x is equals to 11. So, ang hinahanap dito is a positive integer. So, let us choose x is equals to 11. So, ang dalawang magkasunod na digit is or integer is 11 at yung pangalawa, ang x plus 1 natin is equals to 12. So, let us move on in problem number 2. Okay, for problem number 2, we have the length of rectangle is 5 meters more than its width. And if the area is 84 meters square, find the dimensions. Okay, let us say that this is our width. No? Let W is equal to our width. Tapos, yung length niya ay width plus 5. Yan daw ang length. Okay? And we know, ang area ng rectangle is equals to length times width. Okay? That is equals to, ang length niya, ang area niya is 84. Alright? 84. So, gagawin natin, multiply lang natin yung dalawa, width, tapos tsaka length. Plus 5. Pagkatapos, distribute. Okay. 5W. Transpose natin ang 84, magiging negative 84. Equals to 0. Then, factor natin. Ano ba mga factor ng 84? W. We can say plus 12 at 7, negative 7. Tama po ba? Okay. Tama. So, we have two values of width that is equals to negative 12 and W is equals to 7. At since wala namang length na negative, so ang width natin is 7. Tapos, yung length is equals to 7. plus 5. Makukuha natin ang length na 12 meters. Ayun, nakalimutan ko pa yung unit niya. So, let's move on to problem number 3. Problem number 3, we have the square of a number decreased by 7 times the number is equal to 30. So, find the number. So, matinding word problem po. So, pang high school lang naman, pero solve natin. So, meron siyang square of a number. Let's say it is x. And the square of a number decrease, ito say minus 7 times the number x is equals to 30. Tapos, i-transpose natin yung 30, magiging x squared minus 7x minus 30 is equals to 0. So, i-factor natin, ano bang ma-factor ng x? X. Yun. I mean, x squared. Tapos x. Tapos, factor ng 30, let's say, 5 times 6. Or we can say, kung 5 times 6, pag i-add, hindi siya magiging 7. So, let's say we have 10 times 3. And since negative, tapos negative yung 7, gawin nating negative yan. Then, so we have negative 10 plus 3. And we have two values of x na equal sa 10. At tsaka, x is equals to negative 3. Ayan. Bakit dalawang values? Let's say that let us check kung pwede ba. Hindi natin pwede sabihin na ito na talaga yung solution. So, check muna natin kung ang let's say 10. So, that is 10 squared minus 7 times 10. Equal ba siya talaga sa 30? So, this is 100 minus 70. Equal ba sa 30? Tama. So, let us say that is negative 3. So, negative 3 squared minus 7 times 3 is equal to 30. So, negative 3 square is equal to 9 minus 7 is 30, right? Minus 7 times 3, that is equals to, sorry, this is negative 3 nga pala. So, negative times negative, positive. So, 7 times 3 is 21 equals to 30. So, tama. So, both x is equal to 10 and x equals negative 3 is both the number. Okay, dito lang po tayo and see you po sa next video natin. God bless po.